In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay vendor bill in QuickBooks 2026, step by step. Let's get started right inside QuickBooks. After you sign in, look toward the top left and click the plus new button. This opens a menu of common tasks. Under the vendors section, choose pay bills. This is the workspace designed specifically for clearing open vendor bills. So everything you need will be in one place. At the top of the pay bills screen, choose the bank account you're paying from. This is important because it determines which register the payment will post to and how your balances and reports reflect the transaction. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct checking or cash account before moving on. Next, you'll see a list of unpaid vendor bills. Check the box beside each bill you want to pay today. You can select one bill or multiple bills at once if you're batching payments. As you select, keep an eye on the running total so it matches what you intend to pay from the chosen bank account. It's a good practice to glance at the vendor name, the due date, and the amount due to ensure you're paying the correct items. Now enter the payment details. Set the payment date to the day you're issuing the payment. This date controls when the expense hits your books and shows in your bank register. Choose the payment method you're using, such as check, cash, or ACH. Pick the option that matches how you're actually sending funds. If you're issuing a paper check, select Check here so QuickBooks treats it properly. There's also a field for a reference number. This is optional, but helpful for audit trails. Use it for a check number, ACH confirmation, or any internal reference that makes tracking easier later. When everything looks right, you're ready to finalize. Click Save and Close to record the payment and finish. If you're printing a check right now, choose Save and Print so you can produce the check immediately. Make sure your check stock is loaded and aligned if you're using pre-printed checks. Once saved, QuickBooks updates the bill status to paid. You'll see that change reflected in your bills list, and the payment will appear in the selected bank account's register. That's your confirmation that the expense has been recorded and the liability cleared. And that's it. You logged in, opened pay bills, selected the correct bank account and bills, entered clear payment details, and saved the transaction. Follow this same flow each time you pay vendors to keep your books accurate, your cash position clear, and your vendor relations